We get bombarded daily with questions from you guys, but the one we get the most is how do we trade gold? So we're going to sit down today, guys. I'm going to teach you guys two different strategies on trading gold. Each one takes 5 minutes. One's going to cover scalping. The other one's going to cover swing trading. Trading gold, guys, can be extremely risky and extremely rewarding. So the biggest thing you guys need to keep in mind is to manage your risk and protect your account. I always recommend, guys, start with a demo account. Please make your mistakes, guys, on that demo account. So I stress it. I can't stress it enough, guys. Start with a demo account if you're new to trading. We're going to start off, guys, with the swing trading strategy. Now, I'm going to show you guys what my settings are over here, and you need to copy them and make sure they're the exact same. Pause the video if you need to, input these settings, and then get back to it. So let's take it away, guys. First thing we're going to do is you're going to look up the gold chart over here, put the time frame on 4 hours. Next, you're going to open up a lead algo, go to the settings by clicking the cog over here, click inputs. Your sensitivity is going to be 0.5. We're going to turn on the trend cloud, and we're going to put the short-term period on. For this strategy to work, guys, there's two conditions you need to follow. The first one is the signals. The second one is the trend cloud. Now, how do we put this together? So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is we'll take this buy signal, for example. And these are the rules that you guys have to stick with. So the buy signal comes over here, but we don't get into it right away. We're actually going to wait until the trend cloud turns green, and then we're going to get into the trade. And the same goes for the opposite. So if we take this sell signal over here that came on this candle closed, and then the next candle is when it turned red, and that's when you're getting into the trade. Now, to get into this trade, guys, your risk to reward ratio needs to be 1.5. So we're going to open up a long position. We'll click over here. Put that down here. And then we're going to adjust this, guys, right to the bottom over here. Perfect. So now we have our risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Now we're going to get into this trade, guys. As this trade progresses, our stop loss will now become the trend cloud. So as long as the trend cloud is green and following the trade, we'll continue to move our stop loss up with the trade. Let's talk about the difference between scalping and swing trading. What is scalping? This method of trading, you're only going to be holding for minutes. The maximum you'll hold a trade is maybe 1 hour, but the idea is that we're getting in and we're getting out. This isn't a long-term hold. This isn't a play that you're going to tell your cousin about, hey, bro, go buy this next week. It's going up to X amount of dollars. This is just in the moment now. You're going to get in, you're going to get out. Now, guys, it's time for the scalping strategy. So we're going to follow the same rules that we went through for the swing strategy. Load up your gold chart. You'll put the 5-minute time frame. You'll choose that just over here. And now this strategy will follow the same rules we followed in the swing strategy. So, for example, this sell signal over here would have gotten into it on this candle, right when the trend cloud turned red. For this buy signal, you would have skipped it because this never turned green. And then for the smart sell that we get over here, you would have taken this trade. Now for this buy signal, guys, we would have got into this one right over here. Now it's very important, guys, that you're following these two confirmations. These two rules are very, very important. If you try and circumvent it or just do one of the rules or wait for one thing to happen and not the other, well, then you're not following the strategy. You're just making your own strategy at that point. For when you guys are scalping, if you're new to trading, you're not going to scalp on the 1 minute or the 5 second. Don't try it. It's just not going to work. If you want to experiment with that to find out why it's not going to work, do it on a demo account, please. But if you're new to trading, start scalping on the 5-minute chart. And it's always important, guys, that you trade with a stop loss as part of your risk management. Now, why do we always say this? So when you guys will get into the markets, you may take a trade that you will lose, right? You may take 2 or 3 trades consecutively that will all be losses. Now, if you're only risking 1 to 3% and safely trading, it won't be too much of an effect on your account. But if you're doing 10% per trade of what your account is, meaning that if you have a $100 account and you're putting up $10 each time you trade, well, you're about to blow $30, guys. And now you're going to be down 30% because you took 3 trades that just did not go your way. That's the reality of trading. No strategy is perfect, but some strategies are better than others. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel, and then click the little bell in the corner. That way you're notified every time we post. And lastly, guys, we're going to announce the winner of last week's giveaway. Now, the winner of last week's giveaway, I'll put it on the screen right in front of me. Congratulations, we'll be in contact with you. Now, if you guys want to learn more about the short-term and the long-term trend cloud, click this video up here. And if you're looking for more strategy videos, you can watch this one down here. Thanks, guys, and have a nice one.